Today we're going to be talking about the lovely topic of erosion, which basically is a process where soil and rock are being worn away and moved from one place to another. Being transported is like the simple definition for erosion. And basically, when we're moving into some causes of erosion, the most common cause is from water, I would say, like rivers, rain, waves, as seen here. Next cause could also be wind, which blows away the loose sand and soil. Another one could be ice, like glaciers, which over time scrapes and carries rock. And lastly, another one could be gravity. It can pull the soil and rock downhill and create landslides, for example. I know we've all seen landslides happen in our society where it can cause great destruction, and that's a very common cause of erosion. When people think of landslides, they're like, oh, that's erosion. Just like water, which I said was the most common cause, like rivers, rain, all those are very big causes for erosion, because with a landslide, there is water, wind, there's a lot of factors that play into it. All right. The effects of erosion. Basically, even though there's a lot of harmful effects, there are some somewhat helpful effects as well. So basically, some helpful things is it can create new landforms like beaches, canyons, and valleys, like this picture here. Very pretty. This is like erosion over many and many years, and it can create really cool landforms. Also, it can help transport nutrients to new areas to help plants to grow, which is a really cool thing I learned. And of course, the harmful things is that it can wear away at the soil for farming, which is really bad for farmers. And it can also cause a lot of damage, as we know, to landscapes, roads, buildings, to a lot of man-made things and destruction. And it can cause sediment build up in rivers, which another thing this can lead to is flooding, which is a really big problem that happens, and it's happened a lot in our society, where people's houses are taken out, cities, towns, people even could die from the flooding, and it's a really scary thing. And so the next slide, I basically just want to dedicate to some pictures of the harmful effects of erosion, because I think this is really important. Because even though erosion is a natural process, it can create a lot of issues. As I talked about, the soil and farming can be destroyed. Houses, like this house on the side of a mountain, like a landslide. The roads could be taken apart, as we see here in this picture. The top left and top right, and of course in the middle, it's one of a house where some family's house was destroyed. So basically, going back just to sum this up, once again, erosion is a process where soil and rock are being worn away and moved from one place to another. And that's erosion in simple terms. Hope y'all enjoyed.